I was trying to do something that I'm extremely passionate about that was a bit different and a bit unusual.
With the Accelerate support, we were able to tap into incredible minds.
They really do bring a portfolio of skills to the table.
What they provided us in terms of value has been unmeasurable.
They put us in touch with all the right people that could support the project.
It's taken our organisation to a completely different level.
The collaboration which Accelerate makes possible enables us to do things which we couldn't do and helps us take the product forward quicker.
Without Accelerate, there would be no product. It would just be still an idea.
Accelerate is a ERDF funded programme, and we help turn ideas and conceptions into practical solutions to solve unmet clinical needs. We also help with the adoption of these solutions into the health and social care sectors to create lasting economic value for Wales.
It consists of a few different academic partners, ourselves at ATIC at the University of Wales Trinity St David's. There's also the Health Technology Centre at Swansea University, CIA, Cardiff Innovation Accelerator in Cardiff University, and then the Life Sciences Hub in Cardiff. This support structure, this framework, this hive of expertise is an amazing opportunity.
It's very, very rare, I would say, for one person to be able to take that idea to a market-ready product. It needs to be tested and understood.
The support from the Accelerate programme has been invaluable, especially to a company that was started during a global pandemic. Obviously, funds were incredibly limited, and to have a partner with such expertise in a biological setting, namely cell culture, has been incredible to have on board.
The Clinical Innovation Accelerate project within Cardiff University have really supported us, not just with funding this project. They've offered a lot of practical support. They've brought in a lot of experts that provide me with the knowledge that I didn't have myself.
So Accelerate has provided us with the tools, the resources and the information to really expand what we're doing. And for us, that collaboration is about sharing information for them to help us on our journey to expand.
We've had fantastic funding from CUMTAF University Health Board. Without what we've done with Accelerate and the team at ATIC, I don't suppose that funding would have been so easy to secure.
The Accelerate programme has been absolutely critical in supporting us. They have found ATIC and been able to supply us with a team of people that were able to understand what we wanted and to help us find out ways of achieving that.
They will work with you to formulate that into a very detailed plan that we couldn't have done by ourselves.